Hey guys, it's Breezy Manny, and I know you guys see me with my starter locks right now, but that's because I'm recording the intro after I went to get my hair done. Without further ado, I'll be showing you guys the process of getting them started and the products my stylist used. I'll leave her Instagram down in the links below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I'm counting dollars, I need follows, I need more. Yeah, I'm counting dollars, I need follows, I need more. Yeah, I'm counting dollars, I need follows, I need more. Yeah, I'm counting dollars, I need follows, I need more. Living by the gun, but we dying by the sword. Living by the gun, but we dying by the sword. Living by the gun, but we dying by the sword. Living by the gun, but we dying by the sword. Wait, yeah, turn me up a bit, y'all. Feeling like a million. Play the role like a villain.
Alright, so after everything, I came home or whatever, took a shower. Didn't wet my hair obviously, but this is how they're looking right now. I've been growing my hair out since December 2018, so right now I have a year and 7 months worth of hair. And I'm actually surprised that the coils turned out to be this long. That's a good amount of shrinkage, but it's still way better than I expected it to be. This video was kind of like an introduction into like my starter lock process or whatever, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted as I go on this dreadlock journey. And hopefully, I think I'm planning on making a video like in 2 weeks when I do plan on doing my first wash and see how that turns out. So I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram. So thank you for watching.